Today we'll be wiring up a fire alarm system right now. So I might go ahead and wire up the Simplex 2099, 9799 and the Gentex Commander 3, and I hope it's gonna work. We might go ahead and wire up this to the fire alarm system and see if it works. So here we go. So first thing we're gonna do is we might go ahead and wire up the pull station, and we're gonna go ahead and wire up the Gentex Commander 3 later. But let's go ahead and open the unit. No, but before we get into that, we might go ahead and wire up the pull station first, and then we're gonna open up the pull station and put the screws in it. Let's do it. All right. So as you can see, now you have all the wires connected. So right here we have the positive wires. So these two are the positive, and these two are the negative wires. See that? Coming through the back box, we'll be wiring up the Gentex Commander 3. So I must go ahead and open up the pull station right now. So let's go ahead and just open up the pull station in it. Oops, just 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. The thing had popped on. We must go ahead and put all the wires in just a second. Okay, so as you can see, I have my Simplex pull station all installed. So as you can see, this fire alarm pull station is all wired up. Okay, and this pull station is ready to go. So now I'll be wiring up a Gentex Commander 3. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your Gentex alarm. And you're gonna get like one screw. You know what? I'd rather do two screws. Two screws. And you might go ahead and wire this up. You might go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can see, I just paused the video. As you can see, I have the Y wire, which is connected to the positive wire, and I have the horn connected to the horn negative. So as you can see, the wires are coming through to the Gentex alarm. No, to the Simplex alarm. And after that, you can go ahead and snap this in. And now we might go ahead and snap this thing in and see it works. Okay, now let's go ahead and get the batteries and test them out. Alright, so as you can see, I had connected the batteries. We're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Without further ado, here we go. So as you can see, I already take the tape out of the horn and make it sound loud. But without further ado, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. It's working. Guys, this fire alarm is working now. So as you can see, the fire alarm wired up, batteries connected. Yeah, really cool. But as you can see, if I look in the inside, if you want to key activate, go get your. So as you can see, go get your Simplex fire alarm B key. Then we're gonna go ahead and key activate the alarm. Really cool. So if you guys don't know, let me go ahead and shut the alarm off. So if I go ahead and open up my fire alarm again. This fire alarm, so as you can see, this alarm just got shut off. So as you can see, inside there's a button. So basically, if the fire alarm got released, or the button gets released, the Gentex Commander 3 will sound. So, yeah. So we're going to do it again. We're going to connect the wire. Alright, fire alarm. Left here, left the knocker, and then you're going to go ahead, pull it down, sets off the fire alarm. But, here we go. really cool, I mean. So we're gonna go ahead and do it again. This time. So yeah, that is my fire alarm installation.